Please note before you start working with the inspection changes in the setup, underneath location settings, you will have a tab here now for inspection. And here you can change your default units. So for example, if I want to do pads and rotors in millimeters, I can do that. That just sets the defaults on the inspections, and then that way you can override them if you need to. So once you set it, you just hit save, and then you're ready to go work on your inspections and change them up. This session is concerning the update for the inspections. So within your protractor system, if you go to setup, you will see underneath the work order setup, inspections, and you open an inspection up, you'll see a new column under the inspection tab called type. Now type would be used for things such as tire tread depth, tire pressure, breaker rotor measurements. So if I kind of scroll down and look at this system here, you'll see under tire tread depth, we have under the notes where you can type those in. Okay. So now we have a new feature here under type where you can just open this up. You can say, well, I want to measure tire tread depth. Now the nice thing about this feature is you can now just get rid of this. Don't need it anymore. We also have one for tire pressure and one for pads or rotors. And again, you can get rid of the notes. It will automatically have a field that you will be able to fill in. And then I can do the same thing here too. Once I do that, I hit save. And let's go over to a work order and see how it's going to look. So we'll go to work orders. I'm going to open one up. And then we're going to go add that inspection. Now this one was already on here, so we want to delete this one. This is the old one. Now we want the newer version, which is the updated version. So we go to 30-point inspection, open that up. Go down to our inspection tab. Let's see how it looks. So if I go to my tread depth, I just simply double click. You'll see now you have each location of the vehicle's tires. You can measure in 30 seconds or millimeters. Now you still are going to have your OSR. You still have your notes you can drop in, and then you can go put your numbers in. You also have your little note field if you want to type any additional notes. And now you also have a secondary note field. Now this secondary note field is strictly for internal use, does not print on any documents. It's just a visual for you to see in case you want to go back in history and look at any additional notes. So this will stay in the history of the vehicle, and you can still add service packages from here. So once you do that, you go to your next line and see now it automatically fills everything in. Now you don't see that other note. To see the other note, I just simply go over here. There's my internal notes. So you can change these up. It's a little bit easier to use your inspections and fill them out.